I think I'm gonna remove this one now. I don't know if you can see it, but some animal like went through the whole garden and like digged up a lot of soil. So like underneath the wood, it is very soft now. Like I stand with my feet on it and kind of there's like a lot of air. I think it's a very good thing. So some labor is done by some animal that went through this garden. I love it when nature is working for us. All right. Moved a lot of compost and now I sowed all the yellow mustard again. This is all a green fertilizer and this summer it can just keep improving this soil. This is what happened to the different cuttings. This one is completely setting seed. This one is like trying to make seeds again and flowers. And this one is just pure mulch. Look at all these sunflowers. Isn't that great? That one is huge. It's like as big as my head. This one is getting tall next to it. Over here you see that the mustard is actually growing when there's a little shade. So this plant is like on the south side. So it has a little shade on this piece, and then there it's growing faster than over here where there's nothing. So how you can also accomplish that is with mulch, like over here. Here you also see the mustard growing already. This is the last update. Before I go on vacation or holiday. Well, a lot is growing over here. But there's still a lot of work to do. Nature is doing its thing. Growing in summer. Here I planted some sunflowers. I love them. Love them so much. Look how beautiful.